Item 2.1 is the submission and opening of quotation proposal for the project FIMS User Acceptance Training or UAT for billing and collection systems, budget management system with CBA number 2026-04-617 with an approved budget for the contract of 2,660,000 pesos. This is a finance project. May I now turn over the floor to the technical working group. Thank you.
Do we have submission for this item?
Attorney, we have two submission from Belmont and Sequoia, Manila.
Okay, let us proceed.
Secretary, could you call our prospective bidders? So good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the submission and opening of bids for the AFIMS User Acceptance Training for Billing and Collection System, Budget Management System on April 28, 2026 to May 25, 2026. For records and attendance purposes, kindly state your name and the company that you represent. Start lang po tayo sa bidders na present physically.
Good morning. I'm Jeanette Balois. I'm representing Belmont Hotel Manila.
Thank you, ma'am. Yung prospective bidders po natin online. Sequoia.
Hi, good morning po. I'm Jane Lalafel, representative of Sequoia Hotel Manila.
Ma'am, medyo garbled lang yung yung audio. Pa-type na lang po sa chat box yung name niyo po and the company that you represent po. Thank you. Please be informed that this meeting is recorded and will be uploaded to the CAP YouTube page po, ha? Thank you. Okay. Let's begin na po. Could we confirm if this is the submitted bid of Sequoia Manila? Wala nang zoom out to or extend. Could we confirm from Sequoia Manila that this is your submitted bid?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. The submitted bid of Sequoia Manila is properly labeled for this project and is sealed. Proceed with the opening, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
Inside the brown envelope is the request for quotation, the submitted bid documents without pagination and no tabbings. Secretariat, checklist please.
Checklist. Valid field jobs registration certificate.
Field jobs. Valid PhilJobs registration certificate. Valid until 12 February 2027, submitted.
Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Mayor's permit issued by the city government of Parañaque. Valid until December 31, 2026, submitted.
Income or business tax return.
Annual income tax return, submitted.
Duly accomplished request for quotation or proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Duly accomplished request for quotation or proposal form, submitted.
That's all for the eligibility documents, Mr. Chair.
The submitted price quotation of Sequoia Manila is in the amount of 2,660,000 pesos and is equal to the ABC of this project. So again, the submitted bid price of Sequoia Manila is in the amount of 2,660,000 pesos and is equal to the ABC of this project. Sir, we now proceed with the submitted of Belmont.
Yes, please proceed.
Ma'am, representative of Belmont, could you confirm if this is your submitted bid proposal?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The submitted bid proposal of Belmont is improperly sealed and properly labeled for this project. Proceed with the opening, Mr. Chair. Inside the brown envelope is the submitted documents without pagination and no tabbings. Secretariat, checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid PhilJobs registration certificate.
PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, page 1, page 2, page 3. Ma'am, expired yung sa Annex A niyo po ng Mayor's Permit.
Sir, with regards to our PhilJobs, valid siya until June 2 of 2026. However, yung naka-attach po na mayor's permit is 2025. But we also submitted the updated mayor's business permit. We tried to process it last Friday for submission sa PhilJobs system. However, as per my team, it will take 3 to 7 working days. I checked po this morning. Ang sabi naman po is we can submit the omnibus sworn statement. Ipapanotarize lang po namin to prove na we are in processing of the renewal of business permits sa system para po updated yung sa PhilJobs.
Secretariat, let's just take note of the manifestation of the bidder. And we can proceed with the opening of bids.
Thank you. See. The manifestation of the bidder is noted. We'll just keep first the certificate of PhilJobs membership. Next.
Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Business permit issued by the City Government of Pasay, valid until December 31, 2026. Submitted.
Income or business tax return.
Income or business tax return. Submitted.
Duly accomplished request for quotation or proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Request for quotation or proposal form. Confirm ko lang po, wala pong fill up yung request for quotation or proposal form niyo po. Wala pong statement of compliance.
Sir, pwede to follow ko po after.
Ay, sorry
the-
ma'am, opening of bids na po tayo. To follow
Okay.
documents are not allowed na po.
Okay.
Then wala rin pong signature yung request for quotation or proposal form. Not submitted.
That's all for eligibility documents, Mr. Chair.
So, Fred, balik tayo.
Valid PhilJobs registration certificate.
I'm considering that the PhilJEPS is expired yung Annex A under the PhilJEPS Memorandum Circular, suspended po ang validity ng PhilJEPS po, ma'am. Kahit yung Annex A lang po yung expired, pero yung PhilJEPS is valid, suspended pa rin siya, ma'am. With that, the TWG recommends the disqualification of the submitted bid proposal of Belmont Hotel Manila for not submitting the valid PhilJEPS registration certificate and submission of unfilled out requests for quotation and proposal forms. For the consideration and approval of the committee, Mr. Chair.
Any motion?
Mr. Chair, motion to adopt the recommendation of the TWG for the suspension, for the disqualification of the bid from Belmont.
Second the motion.
Motion duly seconded. The motion is carried. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ma'am, mag-file po ba kayo ng motion for reconsideration? Considering na, ay hindi na po, ma'am. Sige. Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay, since this is negotiated procurement, we still have one bidder for negotiation. This is the proposal of Sequoia Manila.
The bidder's representative of Sequoia Manila. Ma'am, considering this is a negotiated procurement, the floor is now open for any price negotiation.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Hello po, good morning po.
So, again, ma'am, we are negotiating for this project. So, any possible discount to the initial proposal of Sequoia Manila?
Yun sir, since ito lang si maximum natin na rates po, bali, we'll try to mag-less lang po ng 10,000 sa venue rental na lang po. Since ang ano po kasi ang rate ko po is talagang AM snack, lunch, and PM is 2,200 po per day, per pax per day. And then sa venue rental po is pinackage ko na lang siya ng 152 for the 19 days po. So mag-less na lang ako ng 10,000 po.
10,000 pesos per day for the venue.
Yung sa venue rental lang po. Bali, 142,000 po sa venue rental lang.
In that case, how much would be the offer of Sequoia Manila?
Wala lang po. Total is, wala lang. Wala lang, sir. Yes, sir. Ang total contract price po is 2,650,000 po.
$2,650,000.
Yes po.
Can we not reduce it further? Any further discount to that? Or can we seek comments from our end user?
Correct. Yun lang talaga sa hanggang doon lang, sir. Kasi po, ang venue rental po namin is,
Miss Jane,
100. Yes po.
ma'am, hindi ba pwedeng since medyo matagal din naman yung number of days namin mag-occupy, yung akala namin 10,000 per day ang discount. Hindi po ba ganon? Bali 10,000 times 19 days.
Ayun lang, ma'am. Sobrang laki kasi bali wala na siyang venue rental. Bali, sa ano na lang po siya, food na lang po. Pag nilas po natin na 10,000 per day. Bali, nakapackage na po yung venue rental natin na 142,000. For 19 days na po yun. Usually talaga po is ang venue rental namin for that venue po is 90,000 po. 90,000 per day po.
So, ma'am, we are going to remove the, do I get it right? Now, we are going to remove the venue cost. Yung babayaran na lang namin is yung AM, PM snacks plus meals. I mean, plus lunch.
For a while.
Miss Jane?
Yes po.
Ma'am, may question po si Attorney Marty.
Yes po.
Yes, ma'am. Do I get it right that we are only going to pay the meals and then the venue or the venue for the conference is already packaged dun sa meals?
Kasi bali
Tatanggalin,
nakahiwalay. Yes po.
tatanggalin na natin yung cost of venue.
Sige sir, for a while lang po. I-package ko lang po.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
sir, pwede bang ma-request from the bidder yung details po nung kanyang offer para
Yes.
makita din namin dito?
Is it not included in the submitted documents? Can we check Secretariat if it's in the proposal or not included in the proposal?
Total lang, attorney, nasa proposal.
Okay. Sige.
Thank you,
Bidder,
Mr.
Sequoia Manila, can we request for the details? Um,
Pending po, correct.
to my understanding, the initial proposal of Sequoia Manila is equal to the ABC, and they're offering a discount. They will be removing the venue cost, and it would now amount to 2,060,000, removing uh, the rest of the cost.
2650 will be only less 10,000.
Ah, akala ko 2,060,000 na lang, natatanggal yung 600,000.
No, 10,000 lang daw yung less, attorney.
10,000 per day.
Total, 2,650,000, Mr. Chair.
Can we confirm from our bidder?
Ayos po. Bali, sir, eto na lang po, sir. Ang pinaka-last na ma-offer ko po is yan, food and venue na po siya. Bali, 2,300 per pax per day po. Bali, ang total po natin is 2,622,000 po.
Can we not move? Can we not lower that to 2,500,000? 2.5. Sarado na natin sa 2.5 million para ano.
Hanggang dun lang, sir, yung 2,300 po. Bali, nagad lang ako ng 100 for food and venue na siya.
Sige naman, we had several events already held at Sequoia Manila, and we still have more upcoming events, and we might also be considering having it held at Sequoia Manila. So if you can further give us a very good rate, then I think Sequoia would be a good option for the authority. So if you can lower it to like 2.5 million.
Po, ako sabi ko lang po yung director lang kung kaya po.
Yes, please. We'll give you time for that.
Sige po, sir. Thank you po. Hello po.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Ayun po, bali, sir, ang maliles lang po namin is, sige po, tatanggalin na lang po namin yung sa venue rental. Then, yung rates na lang po na 2,200. Yun po talaga yung original na rates namin. 2,200 per pax per day po. Bali, ang total niya, sir, is 2,508,000.
2,500,000.
8,000 po.
508,000.
Yes po.
2,500,000 na lang eksakto para mabilis na sa ano.
Ayun, sir, kasi ano siya eh, sir, naka-rate po siya ng 2,2. Bali, mahirap po siyang i-adjust.
Any comment from our end user?
Okay, sir, we'll accept na po yung offer.
Okay, ma'am. The rate is 2,2, so 2,508,000. Tama po?
Yes po.
Just want to get confirmation.
Just to confirm, the current bid price or the new bid price is 2,508,000 as shown.
Yes, sir, I confirm po.
Okay. With that, thank you, Sequoia Manila, for providing us further discounts on your initial bid. So, any recommendation?
The TWG recommends that the new bid price is 2,508,000 as negotiated, and that the submitted bid documents be forwarded to the designated technical working group for the conduct of bid evaluation to determine the completeness and the arithmetical correction of the submitted bid proposal. For the consideration and approval to committee, Mr. Chair.
Motion, Mr. Chair.
Yes, please.
Motion to adopt the recommendation of the TWG to forward the documents of Sequoia for correctness of for the completeness of documents and the correctness of arithmetical computations. For the project, AFIMS Users Acceptance Training for the bid offer of Sequoia of 2.508 million.
I second the motion.
Motion duly seconded. The motion is carried. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sequoia.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mhm.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll just inform you of the update of the results of the evaluation to be conducted by the technical working group. Thank you. You may now leave the
Copy po.
meeting room.
Sir, is it possible po to have the notice of award po within the day po para mayroon akong attachment for confirmation of the event po? Kasi baka hindi po siya
The secretariat will just coordinate with you, ma'am, regarding all the
Okay.
documentation required. Okay?
Copy, sir. Thank you so much po. Have a nice
Thank you. Thank you, Sequoia Manila, for submitting your documents for your bid for today. Thank you.
po. Permission to leave po.
Okay, thank you. Next item,